Sis, why do you not have your post notifications on? Because you know YouTube ain't gonna notify you when I upload a video. Hey, what's up you guys? So today I'm gonna be doing my hair per usual. So this hair is from UPretty hair. I really like the texture of it. The front half was like braided up, so it's not like as curly as the rest of it. Like this whole section was braided up, so this is the curl pattern in the back. It's a really nice pretty wave, but what I'm gonna do to bring the wave back in this part is I'm going to curl it with my wand curl. I look super washed out today. It's kind of annoying. I hate when I look like too white, and I try to back up so I can get some color, but I also want y'all to see my whole face. I don't know, child. Anyway, so I've already done baby hair on my unit or whatever, just something light, nothing too crazy. I do have a zigzag part, as you guys can see. You aren't, you know, seeing things. I really do have a zigzag part. So one of the ideas that I had for this hair was I was gonna put the top part in like 2 ponytails and curl it. So like a ponytail right here and then another ponytail here and curl it. So I'm still gonna do it and see how it looks, and then if I don't do it, I'll leave it down and then just curl my hair like that. So yeah, so I'm just getting some rubber bands. This is like, you know, the regular black rubber bands, just like a little thing of it, and it's 500 that come in here, and it's only $1.50 for this whole thing, so it's a pretty reasonable amount. So taking this whole section here, and then I'm just going to put it in a ponytail. I don't think it's tight enough, but we gonna make it do what it do. Okay. So now I'm just gonna tighten it or whatever. So I have one ponytail right here. I wish you guys could see me a little better. Maybe I should lift this up some. Okay, yeah, that's better. So I lifted it up some so you guys can see. So I have one ponytail right here, little rubber band on it. Okay, boom, cute. And then I'm gonna do another one. It's kind of like messy a little bit, but it's okay. So then I'm gonna do another one on this side. So I do like the style already. I think it looks super cute. So what I'm gonna do to just amplify it even more is I'm going to curl this section of my hair. So all of this, I'm gonna curl this. Another thing that I'm gonna do real quick is go put on some earrings. So just give me 2 seconds and I'll be right back. All right, you guys, so I went and put some earrings on or whatever. I love this hairstyle. I think it looks so freaking cute. So yeah, now what I'm gonna do is I'm going to put some heat protectant on my little ponytails, because we are about to put some heat on it to make it like curly like the rest of it. Then I'm gonna get this one and do, I kind of have residue on my hand from the other one. I don't want my things to be too greasy. I might actually put them together and just rub that oil through, because I hate when my hair is like too greasy, you know. It like really makes a difference to your hairstyle. So we're just gonna amplify a bit, and I'm just gonna grab small sections like such. And I'm gonna start curling it with my curling wand. I do have it on 400 degrees, FYI. I'm just gonna curl it. Hold it for a couple seconds, maybe like 10 seconds or so. The longer you hold it, the tighter your curl will be, so just keep that in mind.
Stashi, 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 Stashi. All that junk inside your trunk.
I'ma get you drunk, get you love drunk off my hump, 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 my lovely little lumps. Yeah, I drive these bitches crazy. I do it on the daily. They treat me really nice. They buy me all these ices, Dolce and Gabbana, Fendi and Adana. Karen, they be sharing all their money. Got me wearing fly, but I ain't asking. They say they love my ass. 7 jeans, true religion. They never keep giving. I keep on taking, and no, I ain't taking. We can keep on taking. I keep on demonstrating my love, my love, my love, my love. You love my lady lumps, my hump, hump, my hump, my humps. They got you. They got you. They got you. You're like a sickest one in my mind. Got those sticky eyes. What you trying to hide? You're like a hurricane inside my face, but I like it, babe. So bring the rain. Let me fall, baby, let me drown. Can't be getting back to that. Somebody call the doctor. Somebody call the doctor. I tried it all, but it's not enough. Somebody call the doctor. Somebody call the doctor. Don't let go. Hold me tight, I'm coming down. I need your love and I need it now. Don't let go. Somebody call the doctor before I'm feeling crazy going.
Okay guys, so this is the finished look. I did go ahead and curl everything. I think this hairstyle is so freaking cute. I think it's adorable. I did the zigzag part because y'all know, like, back in the day, you know what I'm saying, like 1990s babies, y'all already know about the zigzag part, bro. You had the zigzag part with the ponytails, you had your pigtails all around. You know, it's just reminiscent of that, because I feel like if I was gonna do 2 ponytails, I gotta do it like the real way. All I need is my little bollies. I have some rose gold ones and some silver ones, but I cannot seem to find them. So, you know, it is what it is. But yeah, you guys, this is the finished look. Once again, this hair is from UPretty. I just wanted to bring like a quick like tutorial to you guys. You know, nothing too long or prolonged or anything. But I really like this hairstyle. I think it looks super cute. And it's just like, it's very playful. So for those of you guys who are probably wondering where I got this, I bought this a while ago. I really don't remember from where, but I want to say Walmart or something like that. This is just a Conair curling wand. It's like the thick one that goes thin. Let me see if I can see how many inches this is. It doesn't say anywhere like how many inches it is, but you guys have seen these before. You can pick them up at Walgreens, you can pick them up at Ulta, you can pick it up at Sally's, you can order them online on Amazon. But this is a Conair Infinity Pro. So just look that up and then see if you can find it on Amazon or something like that. But that's a curling wand that I use to achieve these kind of curls. I think they're so cute, full and bouncy, and it really gives this hair a lot more character. Plus, when they start to fall, it's gonna look even more pretty throughout the day. This is just that kind of hair. Because it's also curly hair that I curled my hair with, it's gonna hold a curl a lot longer than if I would have done this on straight hair. When you do hairstyles like this, you either wanna use curly hair or you wanna use body wave hair. Body wave and curly hair, those are the best types of hair to use when you want to curl your hair like this. If you use straight hair is manipulated most of the time and meant to be straight. It's not really meant to do a lot of other things with. That's why a lot of people opt for like body wave when they want to have like a lot of volume and those big voluminous like Kim Kardashian kind of curls. And then when you want these kind of curls, it's definitely better to opt for a curly pattern. So this hair was already curly. It had its own curl pattern, but I just kind of like, you know, brought a little something extra out of it. So let me just give you guys some information about the hair that I am wearing. I'm wearing 2 bundles of 20-inch, and also I'm wearing a 20-inch frontal. So a 20-inch frontal and then 2 bundles of 20-inch. They did send me 4 bundles, but I only used 2 of them because that's how much I typically fit when I use like a frontal. As far as like the hair didn't come with like any smells or anything like that, nothing crazy. I didn't really experience like any problems with this hair. Because it is curly hair, I do expect it to shed, but I haven't really received any shedding with this hair, so you don't have to worry about that. So as far as shipping, this hair was shipped to me via UPS, so that's the upside to it. If you guys care about what kind of carriers send your hair. I don't remember the shipping time, but I will leave all of that information down below in the description bar. So if you are interested, that way you can know when you can expect your hair. Also, this is an Aliexpress vendor as well, so if you guys were wondering where exactly this hair comes from, they are an Aliexpress vendor. I love working with Aliexpress vendors because a lot of people like hate on Aliexpress. They be trying to like bash people that get their hair from Aliexpress, but the hair is on there is actually really good hair, and there's a lot of hidden gems on there. Although this is a wig that I made myself, I hand sewn this wig myself, they do sell wigs as well. So they have like body wave wigs, they have deep wave wigs, they have straight hair wigs, like they have everything it is that you need. A lot of them come pre-plucked as well. The frontal on this unit, let me just start out by saying that they did such a good job with the frontal. Like it wasn't like super thick. Like I don't mind super thick frontals because I'm able to customize them. The only thing I hate about thick frontals more than anything is just the time that it takes to customize them. But when you have like a frontal that's a little bit thinner, you don't have to do as much work when it comes to plucking it. Like it doesn't take much to make it look natural. Most of the time you just bleach it, pluck it a little bit, and then you're good to go. So that's one thing that I do like about this company, is that their frontals look amazing. This hair is also extremely affordable, so if you are on a budget and you don't want to spend a lot of money on hair, I think this would be a great company to look into. Just check out some of their hair, look at some of the reviews on their website. I highly recommend that when you guys are watching my videos and I recommend you hair, I also recommend that you guys look on the company's website and check out some of their reviews from, you know, everyday customers, because I am a YouTuber and I know sometimes people can be like conflicted. They don't know, like, should I check out this hair? Is it good? I don't know. That way you guys can see pros and cons from other people and see like what their experience was, because 90% of the time when I'm on here, I'm telling you guys about my experience. So as far as the texture, like the regular texture of this hair, this is Peruvian deep wave. So if you go on their website and you want to know like what is the texture exactly that she got or that she used, because you guys really like this kind of wave pattern, this is a Peruvian deep wave pattern. Now like I said, the front of it has been, you know, manipulated and everything, and then this is the back of the hair. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get the extra packs of hair that I have so you guys can see what that look like. I will also put clips in here as well so you guys can check that out. But it doesn't matter if it's like Peruvian or Brazilian or Mongolian or Cambodian. The point is that this is their loose deep wave hair, because they do have Peruvian version of this and then they have the Brazilian one. From the description that they sent me links to the Brazilian one. So I'm assuming maybe that's the one that they're promoting. I don't know, because all that stuff just, child, hello. I also got this, I don't know what this is, but I'm about to open it. They sent this in my package too. I don't know if it's a mirror or a pen. Oh, it's a little mirror. Sorry about that, guys. So yeah, that was my mom calling or whatever. So yeah, they gave me like a little hand mirror, so I think it's cute. And it has a little black girl on here. Isn't she adorable? Like, can y'all see that a little bit? I think that is so cute. It's a little black girl on here. Yeah, y'all can see it now. She got a little curly hair. I'm like, oh, that's what I'm talking about. I love it. So yeah, that's today's look. This hair, once again, is from UPretty, because I'm pretty and so is you. Hello. So if you want to pick up this hair, definitely go click on that link down below to go pick up a bundle or 2 or 3 or 4. I don't know. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you really enjoyed this tutorial, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye. Oh, it's a little mirror. Hold on, mom's calling. Hey, mom. Mom, I'm recording a video. I gotta talk to you later. You know what I mean? Like, you know what I'm saying? All right, that's good.